Happy August, loyal listeners. This is the 1001 Business Problems Solved with Microsoft Teams podcast, and I'm Annie Rind, your hostess with the mostest when it comes to making processes hum using the Microsoft tools you already own. Now, I know Copilot is the hot topic right now, and we've spent the last few episodes diving into AI, but today, I want to shift gears. Let's talk about something a little more grounded, but just as powerful: meetings and emails. Specifically, how to make them way more efficient with a solution that's been around for decades and still delivers massive value. We've used this solution for over 20 years. Hundreds of times. It's not new, but it's still one of the most effective ways to streamline communication and save time. And if you've been with us for a while, you might remember episode 57, our most listened to episode ever, where we talked about SharePoint lists. That episode still gets love because SharePoint lists are a lean office favorite, at least for the teams that know how to use them. Let me paint a picture. Actually, two. First, think about those recurring meetings where everyone goes around the room giving updates. One by one. Department by department. It's not that the updates aren't important, it's just that the format is exhausting. You're stuck listening to information that could have been shared more efficiently. Second, if you manage people and ask for weekly update emails, you know the drill. Every Friday, your inbox fills up with a message from each direct report. You open them, read them, maybe file them away. It's a lot of effort for something that should be simple. Now imagine this instead. You open a single web page. It's clean, organized, and updated. You scan it in 5 minutes, maybe while sipping your morning coffee, and you're fully caught up. No meetings. No emails. Just clarity. And here's the kicker. All those updates are automatically stored and searchable. So when performance review season rolls around, you've got a goldmine of weekly updates at your fingertips. No digging through emails. No memory games. Just facts. Same goes for those weekly update emails. Instead of opening 10 different messages, you check one page. Progress, milestones, blockers, it's all there, grouped however you want. By person, by project, by date. No more siloed updates. Just one source of truth. So how do you make this magic happen? It's easier than you think. Grab your tech-savvy teammate, or better yet, ask Copilot to help and follow these steps. Start by creating a SharePoint list. Set the permissions so everyone has contribute access, not edit. That's important. Contribute lets them add and update their own entries without messing with the structure of the list. Next, build your columns. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but browser-based and way more powerful. Use the title field for a short summary, something like "This week went smoothly" or "Hit a major milestone." Add a description in the column settings so people know what to write. Then add the good stuff. A long description column for details. A milestone column for wins. A barrier column for issues that need your attention. If your team works on different types of projects, maybe add a drop-down for categories like electrical, mechanical, or software. Whatever makes sense for your world. Once your columns are set, build views. This is where the list really shines. Create a view that shows only this week's updates. Another that shows all updates in chronological order. One grouped by employee. One grouped by category. You can slice and dice the data however you want. If you're new to SharePoint lists, go back and listen to episode 57. And don't forget, Copilot can help you build the list step by step. You might not even need your tech guru after all. Now, here's how you roll it out. Tell your team that status updates are no longer part of meetings. Meetings are for discussion and decision-making, not for reading off a list of what everyone did last week. Likewise, let them know you don't want to update emails anymore. From now on, updates go in the list. Share the link to the input form and the list itself. Better yet, embed them in your team's channel as tabs. One click and they're in the form. One click and they're reviewing updates. And this part is key. Make it clear that everyone is expected to review the updates before the meeting. That way, you walk into the room or the call ready to solve problems, not just hear about them. And that's it. No more Friday email marathons. No more meetings that feel like a slow-motion parade of updates. Just clean, efficient communication that respects everyone's time. Updates are entered into a simple web form. They're compiled automatically. They're easy to read, easy to find, and easy to use when you need them most. Another solution in under 6 minutes. I hope you liked it. Now go build your update list and let me know how it goes. Until next week, this is Annie signing off.